Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are safe and healthy at your home. Students, you know that your half-yearly syllabus has been completed and your revision work has been also completed. So today I am going to start your final syllabus. And in final exam, your first chapter is chapter 12, Europe, location, area, political and physical features. In this chapter, we will discuss about the Europe location and political and physical features of the Europe. So students, you can see this is the map of Europe. So Europe is the second smallest continent. Only Australia is smaller in size. Europe is the smallest continent in the second smallest continent in the world. First smallest continent is Australia and second smallest continent is Europe. It is approximately thrice the size of India and has an area of approximately 10 million square kilometer. What is the area of the Europe? It is 10 million square kilometer. But owing to its location and geography, it has exerted a great influence on the rest of the world. Europe is called the peninsula of peninsulas. So what is peninsula? Peninsula means a land mass which is covered three sides with the water. It's called the peninsula. For example, India is a peninsula. Why? Because India is covered with three sides with the water. In the south, India covers Indian Ocean, and its east is covered Bay of Bengal, and west Arabian Sea. So India is a peninsula, and Europe is called the peninsula of peninsulas because there is so many peninsula. The continent itself just out westward from Eurasia and is surrounded by the Arctic Ocean. You can say here is the Arctic Ocean and here is Asia. And here is Russia. So Arctic Ocean in the north. You can see this is the north side, and in the north Arctic Ocean lies, and the Antarctic Ocean in the west. And you can see here is the Atlantic Ocean. This is Atlantic Ocean, and here is like from Europe. It's like the west side of the Europe. And Mediterranean Sea and the Black Sea in the south. You can see this is the south of Europe, and here is the Mediterranean Sea and this is the Black Sea. So in north Arctic Ocean, west Atlantic Ocean, and south Mediterranean and Black Sea. So Europe has been covered with water bodies by three-sided. So it's called the peninsula of peninsulas. So in Europe, the Scandinavian, Iberian, Italian and Greek peninsulas are quite prominent. These are all surrounded on three sides by water. Now let's discuss about the location of Europe. Europe lies almost in the middle of the northern hemisphere with North America to its east. Its east, North America lies beyond the Atlantic Ocean. Asia to its east, and you can see here is Asia which lies east with Europe, and Africa to its south, and its south Africa lies. It stretches from 35° north to 73° north, and most of it lies within the temperate zone. Where the Europe lies, it lies in the temperate zone. So in northern hemisphere with North America to its west North America, South Africa and East Asia lies in Europe. 65° east. The Ural Mountains in the east and the Caucasus Mountains in the south is separated it from Asia. You can say here is a Caucasus mountain and Caucasus mountains. This is a Caucasus mountain. Caucasus mountains separate Europe from Asia. Now let's learn about the political division of Europe. Although Europe is a small continent, it has 50 countries. These Scandinavian countries include the northern countries of Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark and Iceland. So these are called the Scandinavian countries. What are the Scandinavian countries? Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark and Ireland. These countries all are called the Scandinavian countries. And Belgium, the Netherlands and Luxembourg are called the low countries. These countries lie in the low-lying plains in the west. These countries are lying the low-lying in the west. And Germany, Austria, Switzerland, Poland, Hungary and Slovakia are some of the Central European countries. These countries are called the Central European countries. So these are the political division of the Europe. These countries are called the Scandinavian countries and here is the low countries and these countries are called the Central European countries. The countries in the south bordering the Mediterranean Sea. Which countries lie in the south which bordering the Mediterranean Sea? Are the Mediterranean countries. And which countries are here is called the Mediterranean countries. And for example, Spain and Portugal together from the Iberian Peninsula. So these countries are called the Iberian Peninsula. The Holy See in the Italian Peninsula is the smallest country while Russia is the largest country in Europe. Here is Russia and Russia is the smallest country in the Europe. Earlier Russia was a part of the USSR. So what is the USSR? USSR means Union of Soviet Socialist Republics. Earlier Russia was a part of the USSR, but in December 1991 the USSR was split into 15 independent states and Russia became a separate country. Russia lies partly in Europe and partly in Asia. Some parts of Russia lies in Europe and some parts Russia lies in Asia. So now let's learn about some important cities of Europe. Here are so many cities in Europe, but now I am going to discuss about some important cities in Europe. First is London. London is the capital of the United Kingdom, UK, a major center of international trade and a flourishing port. It is situated on the banks of the river Thames. Here is the river Thames and London is situated on the banks of the river Thames. Buckingham Palace, Westminster Abbey, St. Paul's Cathedral, the British Museum, the Tower of London, Nelson's Column, Tower Bridge and Regent's Park are a few of the many famous places to be seen in this historic city. And the second is Paris. Paris is the capital of France. Paris is the capital of France. This is France and Paris is the capital of France and an important center of science, technology, culture and art. Paris is the important centers of science, technology, culture and art. The city has the famous Eiffel Tower, a masterpiece of structural engineering. Place de la Concorde, a large city square, is very beautiful. Paris has a variety of industries from motor cars to musical instruments, paper, high fashion and luxury items. So, Paris is a very important country in the Europe. Second is, and third important city of Europe is Berlin. Berlin is the capital city of Germany. Here is a Germany, and Berlin is the capital city of Germany and also its largest city. It is an important river port. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Here is Russia, and Moscow is the capital of Russia and is situated on a tributary of the Oka River which joins the river Volga. The city has a dozen rail routes and the terminus of the Trans-Siberian Railway. Moscow is a great administrative center as well as the center of a large industrial region. Red Square is the heart of Moscow. There are over 100 museums in Moscow. And next is Rome. Rome is situated on the banks of the river Tiber and is the capital of Italy. Being the center of the Catholic Church, it attracts thousands of pilgrims from all over the world. The Arch of Titus, the Roman baths, the Temple of Apollo, the Colosseum, the Mausoleum of Augustus and the Pantheon, which was built 27 years before the birth of Christ, are all majestic monuments of ancient Rome. And last most important city in Europe is Vatican City. The Vatican City is the center of the Catholic Church and is surrounded by the city of Rome on all sides. The Pope, who is the head of the Roman Catholic Church, resides in the Vatican Palace in St. Peter Square. So students, these are the some important cities of Europe. And students, in your book, page number 94. In page number 94, there is a given some important countries of Europe and their capital. And you will learn these countries and their capitals. Page number 94. So students, it's all for today. Do revise and learn it.